I'm afraid of speaking in public because I always forget my words when people stare at me.
I'm afraid of monkeys because they can suddenly jump and grab things.
I'm afraid of needles because I can't stand the pain or the sight of blood.
I'm afraid of deep water because I almost drowned once when I was little.
I'm afraid of the dark because it reminds me of getting lost when I was a kid.
I'm afraid of heights because I always feel dizzy when I look down from above.
I'm so touched if someone remembers me on my bad days because it means they truly care.
I'm so excited if I'm about to travel because new places always inspire me.
I'm so relaxed if I start my day with a good book and a cup of coffee.
I'm so nervous if everyone's watching me because I don't want to mess up my words.
I'm so happy if my team wins because it feels like all the stress just disappears.
I'm so frustrated if the bus is late because I hate waiting in this heat.
I can't stand noise when I'm studying because it breaks my concentration.
I can't stand people who shout too loud because it gives me a headache.
I can't stand littering because it ruins the beauty of the environment.
I can't stand rude people because they make the atmosphere uncomfortable.
I can't stand heavy traffic because it makes me late and really stresses me out.
I can't stand waiting in long lines because it feels like such a waste of time.
I feel tired if I don't drink coffee before going to the office.
I feel peaceful if I spend some time in nature because it helps me forget my worries. I feel nervous if I have to speak in front of many people because I'm afraid of making mistakes.
I feel happy if I get messages from old friends because it reminds me of good times.
I feel excited if I travel to new places because I love discovering different cultures.
I feel lonely if I spend too much time by myself because I start missing good conversations.
I love spending time alone because it helps me recharge and organize my thoughts.
I love exploring art exhibitions because they inspire my creativity and imagination.
I love long train rides because they give me time to think and enjoy the scenery.
I love cycling in the mountains because the fresh air and view make me feel alive.
I love playing the guitar because it helps me express my feelings through music.
I love watching sunsets because they remind me how beautiful simple moments can be.
I'm feeling exhausted if I study too late because my brain stops working properly.
I'm feeling grateful if I take a moment to enjoy nature because it reminds me how blessed I am.
I'm feeling great if I finish my workout because it makes me proud of myself.
I'm feeling anxious if I have to wait too long for something important.
I'm feeling alive if I'm on the open road because it gives me a sense of freedom.
I'm feeling lonely if the rain lasts too long because it reminds me of being alone in the past.
I'm worried about him because he likes running too close to the water.
I'm worried about my project file because I didn't save it before my laptop crashed.
I'm worried about her performance because she practiced so hard for this moment.
I'm worried about my math score because I didn't do well on the last test.
I'm worried about my father because he's been in surgery for hours.
I'm worried about the rain because I didn't bring an umbrella and I have an interview soon.
I'm a bit annoyed if someone comes late because I really value punctuality. I'm a bit sad if we fight because I really don't like losing good friends.
I'm a bit nervous if she doesn't reply quickly because I start overthinking everything.
I'm a bit anxious if I have to travel alone because I'm afraid of missing my flight.
I'm a bit shy if people watch me while I'm trying on clothes.
I'm a bit uncomfortable if I'm around people I don't know well because I need time to open up. I'm into cooking new dishes because it's fun to experiment with different flavors.
I'm into drawing nature scenes because it makes me feel calm and creative.
I'm into photography because it helps me capture beautiful moments wherever I go.
I'm into listening to podcasts because they make my travel time more productive.
I'm into volunteering because helping people makes me feel useful and connected.
I'm into live music because it gives me so much energy and happiness.
I'm not really into shopping because I get tired easily and prefer simple clothes.
I'm not really into gossiping because I think it wastes time and spreads negativity.
I'm not really into horror movies because they make me feel anxious at night.
I'm not really into raw food because I prefer something warm and cooked.
I'm not really into social media because it often makes me compare myself to others.
I'm not really into loud parties because I enjoy quiet and meaningful conversations.
I'm not sure what to watch because there are too many good movies this week.
I'm not sure if I should take this new job because it's far from my family.
I'm not sure which gift to buy because I don't know what my friends would like.
I'm not sure if I should join the music club because I'm not really good at playing instruments.
I'm not sure if this is the right platform because the announcement wasn't clear.
I am not sure which flavor to choose because they all look so good.